we're going to explore how to check if an array is empty in JavaScript. There are several ways to do this, each with its own slight advantages. Let's look at the most common and straightforward methods. 1. Using the length property. The simplest and most efficient method is to check the array's length property. An empty array will always have a length of 0. You can write a simple if statement to check this. JavaScript let myArray chase empty array if myArray.length equals 0 console.log the array is empty, else console.log the array is not empty, myArray equal 1, 2, 3, non-empty array if myArray.length equals 0 console log the array is empty, else console log the array is not empty. This code first checks an empty array, correctly identifying it as empty. Then it checks a populated array and correctly identifies that it's not empty. The length property directly tells us the number of elements, providing a clean and efficient way to check for emptiness. 2. Using myArray.length. This is a more concise way of achieving the same result. The how operator negates a Boolean value. Since myArray.length will be 0 for an empty array, which is considered falsy in JavaScript, myArray.length will evaluate to true only if the array is empty. JavaScript let myArray whiles if myArray length console log the array is empty, else console log the array is not empty. This approach is functionally identical to the first method, but uses a slightly more compact syntax. It's a common and readable shortcut. 3. Direct comparison with an empty array. Less recommended. While technically possible, directly comparing an array to an empty array using myArray is generally not recommended. This is because it compares the references of the arrays, not their contents. Two empty arrays will be different references, leading to an incorrect result. Use the length property, or the negated length for reliable emptiness checks. In summary, checking the length property of an array, myArray.length equals 0, or its negation, myArray.length, are the most reliable and efficient methods to determine if a JavaScript array is empty. Avoid directly comparing arrays for equality unless you are sure you are dealing with the same array reference. The length property directly reflects the number of elements within the array, making it the ideal approach for this task. Choose whichever method best fits your coding style and readability preferences. But remember, consistency is key for maintaining clean and easily understood